Evening, folks. Jeff from Rvdiagnostics doing another upgrade in the garage because it just makes sense. Let me turn. I already showed you about the furnace. Now I got a little bit of the wood stacked up. I got to stack a little more. And then this will be an exhaust system I'm getting ready to put in that has a blower vent that'll be back air. There's a ladder holder right there. It'll be the small, another one there. Another ladder goes there. Then I made drain pans, and I got some metal to go under them to collect everything. Now here you go. That's your oil drain. There's your oil filter wrenches, oil filter sockets. Another one for O&N. There's your, that fills your gears up, sucks them out. That there I do for compression test on gassers. There's all your funnels draining into a can. Same way here, in case it leaks, but I got a cap on it. There's your adapters to many different transmissions. Coolant drain, coolant drain. There's your electrical. There's electrical there. There's some extra oil, Rotella 4. I think it's 4, isn't it? Yeah, T4. And then I got these. I got a couple of these extra. I'm gonna slowly organize these. Put another notch here. Line them all up. I'm getting there. And then this side, there's the thermostat I told you for the heater. You gotta remember that right there. Let's see. That shelving unit, homemade, was, let's see, was right here. So when I bring the RVs in on an angle, because the office is there, I was getting tight right here. So that stood out to about here. So I moved all this, took it down. There's my water hose. I'm gonna put plumbing that goes in from the bathroom over there round and bring it down here. So I have the water station in here. So I don't have to get out 50 foot of hose. That's 30 amp right now, but I'm gonna convert it to 50. Outside of that, yep, I'm slowly getting there. Modifying it as we go to make it easier for me. I'm getting older. I don't know. Eventually, like I told you, that is going to be a full wall shelf there from the ceiling down. I'm going to buy some angle iron, fix it up, use some of this wood for shelving so I can take a lot of this and put it over there. Get this cleared out. That was it. Just a quick video, show you little improvements in the garage. Rvdiagnostics School and Repair. So come on down, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Please email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Thank you.